His name is Julius Kojo Entry. They call him Mr. Music Man. Just Yamaba. Hey! Anyway, a story or tea, story no tea. Come on. I went to this club one Saturday night cause I was feeling kind of lonely. Just all called disco last Saturday night. No, or feeling lonely. Now you're born, I'm not feeling no, it was just so right. Now no be any aji. I fit it. Staggering on asphalt, this little beauty. Oguso Shan and you got twa by you be so teams or tija. Now say the no sanache someone I did chips yes. I fit it. No so bad. Met him your banana was. If you really wanna, you've got to play by the rules. And no man is ultimately beside the end, you have to play by the rules. Now, maybe I like it nice and slow. Come on. Hey. If you wanna dance with me, can do it nice and slow. Ooh. I feel the akran of him woman. We dance till the morning sun began to shine, and I wish it was completely mine. Just almost I people say I my chance a room chance say bye bye nothing when you are uncle ban or your one in the one can you day. How no be be at show no say you are near there. Ooh baby. If you wanna dance with me, I'll do it nice and slow. I love to do it nice and slow. Oh my Sally, come do it nice and slow. I bet it no. And you know it's time for Filla. Yeah.
Mic check 1 2.
Yeah, yo.
Mic check 1 2. Okay, Filla.
Hey, sexy Sally is in the building, yo.
With the Filla.
Sally.
Filla.
Eze.
Boko. That's the same.
Me who ya pa.
Yeah, na so and who so sexy.
That's why it's sexy.
Really?
Yeah, I mean.
Who know is sexy?
Oh, there be.
Oh, not at all.
Hey, train.
Now the way see
oh, and no more.
Why akra?
Oh, tea.
Who sounds like utie so born you na me imagine no gina ho ye no ho.
There be who so a Rasta man. What is it? Rasta for be romantic no.
Very hard.
One more. African say or no or two or a romantic for about because the Rasta
go on.
What is because
picture
you very romantic. Who dey take you
debut me say me picture you mo no.
Now what they are showing personality.
Na me said the oxygen hams papa.
I don't know, but you see when you even talk to Kwadentwe and you say be an interview na be o there when you get close to him partner needing komo a uboza kwa no romantic
and one now wrong wo kwan sa so that na say the OCK
bra Kwadwo there
we are suspect
say
now to make us only needing komo na wo dem
we converse now
onu wo din komo na wunya sa feel na dia na
say for wa dream kwachire
what you
share
just
for wa dream kwachire
the new trade no
I don't call you Michelle at now.
Yeah,
she actually down come on me.
Sales the onye bi.
Sales me enya mo come on you baby.
Sales the onye bi.
Oh jai.
Rasta for the sales. Can you? Sales. Size. Hey, we bow. How about me boy say pure white and I'm say hey. Here waiter. Let me say, hey. Na me tell say sad dey kwa minti any say that. Pure waiter pa. Na it's the same. Ene ne be celebrity girl bi. Friend be bright. Oh yeah, xylophone Chinese ni bia. One go for say you hu ni nti a. Ye signing wo mo no. Oh, ni din ba. On say wo. Say the big five will be James Gardner, Zineozu, Bibi Bright, and why be actors near why Benedict Agafa almost all mono. I say ya lebu almost all modi as a mobile bois or more macan. Now something good has happened to that lady, and I say, Ben maybe didn't see me first one. No Jana warrior ya. She said you nyankopon aboa amwa say another husband. It's not easy for a man to leave you with a baggage and a certificate. Just a bon one. Na be say nyi obi foforo. So obeka say be dey obeware. He say ya ware no e biem. Okay. Ama o masa oba fine. Na we na Miss G bisa ne say e dear kra na betimi aka fa wo husband ho say oh the husband and mema wa date wo munyina afa
wa date wo munyina
ana ono wa date wo munyina afa no meet the Mr. Faithful man ni kun yi ni pa
I just say ono
we faithful the na mema ba mo hwehwe mo anim nyina anim mo ayi mo books mo anim faithful die
me hwehwe me baby
faithful die mo
anim ntino
oh edidi rough and edidi wani mo so
ayi awia ba come do yen na wudi I see dey
nti say wo so wanya be ma odo no wono nkuwa na be ma na hwe no mema muntumi hwe ani ba akom very important if you say wo nua ba na wo a friend say wo faase bi ye betimi di bi adi no nti montena ma no ho ana de make an say bra ko me say mo be koso so a na say for usage oh we say no
say bia ye
for say system na ye so free say e ma dream abi ti say ukona
na ho azo we dey wo pese mo de ye anim ye
na adada ne ba mu a ena ya na emama na erefo nti mesrem learn how to do that, speak the truth. I feel so congratulations to Bibi Bright xylophone ye ma obi asa na enso personal life for there you are really enjoying. Kwame Eugene at it again.
Alright then.
Say yes no nyum ya be or dey shine or dey chat. Wish me well.
How?
Wish me well.
I'm say no obi wish me well na.
Yes.
Yes, obi wish me ono so ye ne well.
Rapper. Ice Prince nyum your friend Juju. Na bre ye to me atape.
Atutum.
Ya dey the fans. E wo krom ha. Na say so ne nyum confusion. Malian musician bi ye say nyum. Wo fine na no na wo French him.
Tina Ghana for no and no.
No translate my wa. Ani agi atomu sa. Kwame Eugene enye se guru na agi dim bonesa. Guru wonyum chorus of
asem can fa guru.
Oh,
dey asem kure ni.
Say me tune for the entia. On say one of niama bia as a guru no or talent pa na enso on to me emetna the forefront because of who say niama bia nkofo accusing any ade say wo wiwi anyom no no say yes chorus ne fa ni team and ne song
na dem
once wo word ni bi wom wo capture nyom pa te Kwame Eugene yes rew wa no nkofo say on rese nkofo say wa pioneer ade bia anye fine. We are really forcing ourselves to accept you because of talent now one. Oh yes. Oh, who say, bra? Say ne say, who talent? Na osa fa ho aho.
What's your talent?
Na osa fa ho. Na ama wadru level bi obia. Na on say ne yenya baako. Yenya baako nti ye no ye force ye ho abu ye ni go so say onim dressing so talent. Onim dressing so talent. Ya gina to musa nti yesrew. Yesrew. Memma edin efin emma wudin ho ye mpesa Kwame Eugene me do pa we ka me boys na me 12 boys bia me po masem wo industry mu wo ka ho pa. Fuse ODG na say wone ne producer ni pokra friend say po yo waterman Qbeat enya asem ma me be ka bi ma wo a ne asem bia odidi yenua baby a friend no Eshen so only Eshen beautiful Eshen
I saw last week meaning
Anna me chechi omu me na me wo first hand information na me deba bra ba Ghana and also produce enyom what I say and ofre girl ne say o wonum bia o produce o per say girl ne beto lyrics ne ma no no de send ne artist bia o wa buche na woto ne pepepepepe to say the girl ne beto no na to odru ho no na apparently lyrics bia ni ho eni nyumunim na so wa